I am a final year college student and I have always wanted to start something of my own. But my parents want me to go for a more secured private sector jobs. So, how do I convince my parents?
आई एम वर्किंग इन कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर और मैं हमेशा से कुछ अपना करना चाहता था, लेकिन पता नहीं ये कैसे होगा। जॉब छोड़नी पड़ेगी या जॉब के साथ हद करना पड़ेगा? कितनी फंड्स की रिक्वायरमेंट होगी? बिजनेस आइडिया क्या होगा?
I just started a digital marketing agency and मेरा सबसे बड़ा hurdle ये आ रहा है कि how to expand my business, how to reach new people, what to present them and how to present that stuff.
I have ideas, बट मुझे पता नहीं है उनको बिजनेस में कैसे कन्वर्ट किया जाए। मुझे मार्केट की बिल्कुल भी नॉलेज नहीं है, सो आई वांट अ गाइड जो मुझे बिजनेस ग्रो करने में हेल्प कर सके।
So let me help you all attain financial freedom this Independence Day through this workshop. I am Anurag Arora, a serial entrepreneur, a TEDx speaker, corporate turned entrepreneur. And this is a lifetime chance where you can interact while understanding what are the practical problems a startup faces. And you will be facing once you start your own startup. If you are already having a startup or going to start one, this workshop is for you. If you are a housewife or you are a college student, this workshop is for you. This workshop is for everyone who wants to attain financial freedom. Just click on the link below and join us. See you in the workshop. Thank you.